Hello everybody. In this video we're going to take a look at connecting your Stripe account to your Happy Meal Prep site. There's two things that you need before we start. First thing is you need access to a Stripe account that has the activation process completed. The second thing is you need a Happy Meal Prep site with the Stripe Woocommerce installed. So here we have the plugin that's supposed to be installed. You just want to make sure it's by Woocommerce. That's the one that we integrate with. Once you have it installed, you can go to the settings by going to WooCommerce, settings, payments, and then you're going to select the Stripe option, and this is going to throw you into this page right here. First, we're going to move over and we're going to talk about how to get the keys. Now, there's two sets of keys. There's a test data key and there's a production key. For purpose of the video, I'm going to use the test data only, but the production process is exactly the same. So you need to get two keys. One is your publishable key, which is copied. I'm going to paste it over. The next one is the secret. You're just going to paste that over. And that's for the keys. Now, the second part of the webhooks is so that our site can talk to Stripe and let it know when there's a refund or when there's something that's supposed to happen to a payment. So the first thing we're going to do is going to go to the webhook section. And we're going to add a new endpoint. This new endpoint is going to ask for a URL. You'll get this from your Happy Meal Prep configuration. So that's the URL. Next up, a description. So we're just going to put Happy Meal Prep site, just so we know if someone looks at it later on. The version, you're going to select the latest version. And for the events, you're going to select receive all events. Then you're going to add endpoint. Great. Once you've added the endpoint, the last item you need to do is you need to get your webhook secret. This is basically a key in between apps that tells Stripe, hey, every request made, every change made from this entity is legit. So they use it to sign and authorize. Once you have those three keys, you can just save. And now your website has Stripe payments. Remember, you also have to do the production version. The only difference here is the same steps. The only difference is you got to click the disable test mode and you got to stop viewing test data.